This is Paula from Plantland to talk a little bit about heat mats, something that we use for seed starting. Quite a few seeds require heat more so than they do light in order to germinate. And so we use what are called heat mats. And heat mats are these items. There's one that's the size that fits a flat on top of it. And then there's one that's called a windowsill heat mat that you could use for this sort of setup. Or if you were trying to do something where you were recycling containers like yogurt containers or egg cartons or something, these little windowsill heat mats would work really great for that. The heat mats are pretty durable plastic. I have ones that at this point are probably somewhere in the 20-year-old range. I take good care of them. I store them in a place where they aren't going to get damaged. I don't roll them up. I store them flat. So there's something that it's an investment in your gardening that lasts a long time. Heat mats are very, very low heat. Now, I wouldn't put this on Grandma's antique dining room table, but I wouldn't hesitate to put this on top of a countertop in the garage or something like that. It's low enough heat that it's not going to start a fire or anything like that. It's not going to melt the plastic of a flat. That should tell you something about how low the heat is. They can be very important and very useful in order to do a good job of germinating some kinds of seeds. As a rule of thumb, some of the bigger seeds, something like a pumpkin or a squash, those are the ones that require the most heat to germinate. Peppers and tomatoes, because they are hot season plants, also like a little bit of heat to germinate. So that's a simple thing. If you have more questions about that, remember our website, plant-land.com, always has more information about seed starting, including some more complete information about heat mats. This is Paula from Plantland. Happy gardening!